I'm up in Michigan, and I guess we can see that Detroit's written down here. That's where all of the population is, down in the corner. I'm way up in the opposite direction with a resort area up in northern Michigan where everybody comes to play, and I get to live here. It's a great place. We love it here.
What speed should that be turning when I'm hollowing on the inside?
I still leave it go fast. You know, I'm still at for a small little globe like that. It's the diameter of the globe that dictates the speed. If I'm doing a 20-inch bowl, maybe 500 RPM is fast. If I'm doing a little 3-inch ornament, well, maybe 2,000 RPM is slow. So I want to kick the RPMs up fast, especially for a small element. So I'd be at 15 to 1800 RPM with a small globe like that. I'm probably going to max out my low speed on my I have the low speed belt on my lathe because I usually do bigger things, and I'm doing things with voids and natural edges and stuff flying around. So I very seldom do a finial. If I did a lot of finials, well, I'd switch belts and I'd get up to 2,500, 3,000 RPM to get that last little knob done. I was going way too slow for this territory in here. I was going way too slow on the lathe. It'd been much better and much easier to get the speed of the lathe up quite a bit more for that. When it's this small a diameter, the wood is going so slow when you get towards the center of that axis that you need to get the speed of the lathe up more. So while I'm hollowing, I hollow at about the same speed that I do the outside shape in, still pretty fast. Fast is good. Fast is going to leave you a cleaner surface behind. It's the imperfections of the wood and the grain and everything goes by that tool faster so that you don't feel it. You just go right by it instead of clunking through it with the slower speed. So speed is a good thing, not a bad thing. But you got to do everything else safe. You got to have the safe chucking method. Don't use a chuck. You got to have good tool control. You got to have sharp tools. And so the tools that I create and the tools that I use and the methods that I use have a heavy dose of safety in them to do it the safest way possible. Promote it on your social media, if you will, and pass the good word that we're doing the job up here, and we'll see you in a few weeks.